In a land where the sun kissed the horizon each day, lived a small and humble Avocet named Avie. Avie was known for its unique, upturned bill and its graceful dance in the shallow waters. One day, a storm swept across the land, turning the once clear waters murky and churning. Avie, who was usually careful, was caught off guard and struggled to find food. Days passed, and the storm showed no sign of letting up. Avie, with an empty stomach, looked around at the other birds who had found shelter and continued to thrive. He felt lonely and helpless, wondering why he was suffering when others were not. In his despair, Avie met an old, wise heron named Hector. Hector, noticing Avie's struggle, asked, "Why do you look so troubled, Avie?" Avie shared his plight, feeling the sting of self-pity in his words. Hector listened patiently, then spoke, "Avie, you have a unique gift. Your upturned bill allows you to sift through the mud and find food others cannot reach. The storm may be difficult, but it also presents an opportunity." Avie thought about Hector's words. He realized that his gift was not a curse but a blessing in disguise. He returned to the water, using his unique bill to find food hidden beneath the murk. The storm finally passed, and Avie, though still humble, felt a sense of pride. He had overcome his struggles and learned a valuable lesson. Every challenge presents an opportunity, and our unique characteristics, no matter how they seem, are our greatest strengths. From that day forward, Avie danced with a newfound grace, his upturned bill a symbol of resilience and adaptability. And the other birds, seeing his triumph, learned to appreciate their own unique gifts as well. Moral: embrace your unique qualities, for they are the keys to overcoming challenges and finding opportunities in adversity.